When the aircraft you fly needs maintenance, having a good rapport with a mechanic can mean a lot. Communications is the key. That's why whenever I have a maintenance question, I go to Donald here.
David.
What?
David Hayes.
We'll talk about communications with your mechanic next on 57 Seconds to Safer Flying. Have I been calling you the wrong thing the whole time?
Keep your hands in your pockets. Come on.
Building a friendly but businesslike relationship fosters communications. When you ask the right questions and start a discussion around components of your aircraft, that mechanic might take the time to educate you on how the system works in your aircraft and how that system integrates with other systems in your aircraft. Your understanding leads to your confidence in that mechanic to perform the work needed. The mechanic then feels you are interested in how things work. Before you know it, he or she is offering ways for you to head off other problems before they become major issues. So much of what I'm saying is common sense, but sometimes we pilots are busy and don't have the time to form that relationship. Other best practices would include having the mechanic do a walk around with you when the work or inspection is ordered, and then again when the work or inspection is completed. Have the mechanic show you the work plus any inspection plates, cables, hoses, clamps, castellated nuts, safety wire, anything that might have been involved in the work.
Give me a 7/16 wrench over there. A wrench.
For the FAA Safety Team, I'm Phil Dixon.
And I'm David Hayes. Join me for my Aviation Maintenance Safety Minutes on YouTube's FAA channel.